It's our defining connection, the essential thread that sustains and unites us. Within the depth of this beauty lie the complexities of planet Earth, fusing humanity and the environment, including its atmosphere, oceans, ecosystems, and vast stretches of coastline. We are inextricably linked, but that bond still hides mysteries that require a better understanding of our natural world. At the University of Miami Rosentiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science, we have embraced our role as a world-class academic and research institution. Our scientists work on comprehensive oceanic and atmospheric studies by taking on often daunting challenges, including climate change, coastal resilience, rising seas, the future of marine life, and vital biomedical correlations to human health. The work we do is transformational and multifaceted, and our conclusions often help shape environmental policy outside university walls. Action-oriented, inspirational, and academically driven, our momentum has led us to this auspicious place in time. After more than a decade of planning and anticipation, the new $50 million Marine Technology and Life Sciences Seawater Complex has arrived, anchoring two interconnected buildings that together form a foundation for innovation, one for hurricane science, the other for marine biomedical and biological research. This is a pinnacle moment and a cornerstone of the Rosentiel School Master Plan. Thanks to transformational gifts from our benefactors, our scientists and engineers of today and tomorrow are now equipped with the tools needed for priceless discoveries in air-sea interface and oceans and human health research. On one side of the complex, a first-of-its-kind research lab is the groundbreaking testbed known as SUSTAIN, which stands for Surge, Structure, Atmosphere, Interaction. Designed by the world's leading aquarium architects with technology never before accessible, a 38,000-gallon seawater wave tank is housed in the Alfred C. Glassell Jr. SUSTAIN building. At 2 meters tall, 6 meters wide, and 23 meters long, this hurricane simulator has the ability to imitate Category 5 hurricane force winds, complete with waves and sea spray in a 3D environment.
Here at the University of Miami, we have a particular focus on trying to improve coastal resilience. That's because we're really vulnerable to the threats of sea level rise and storm surges that are going to be getting worse and worse over time. Here we can simulate the loadings on coastal structures, the forces that are acting, and use that information to build better communities that are more resilient in the face of sea level rise and storm surges.
The other side of the complex is home to the Marine Life Sciences Center, a controlled environment with facilities for seawater research of marine-related ecosystems and living marine animals, including fish, corals, and sea hares.
There's going to be a huge variety of different research projects going on in the Marine Technology and Life Sciences Seawater Complex concerning marine biomedical research using aquatic animal models of human disease for studying things like the effects of the Deepwater Horizon oil spill, as well as the effects of climate change on corals and other marine organisms. This is also the new home for the National Resource for Aplysia, where we use California sea hares to study a variety of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, as well as for models of aging.
In this dynamic science and engineering complex, synergy and collaboration connect our professors with oceanographers, meteorologists, and other partners at various institutions, but more specifically with our neighbors at NOAA. For all that this state-of-the-art facility offers, the Rosentiel School profoundly thanks its government and philanthropic donors who have fostered the advent of landmark studies at the Seawater Complex. The initial commitment of funding was a grant awarded by the National Institute of Standards and Technology through the U.S. Department of Commerce American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. To honor his father's legacy, we tip a hat to Alfred C. Glassell III, the late Alfred C. Glassell Jr., whose passion for marine biology, world record game fish, and scientific explorations led to a visionary kinship with the Rosentiel School founder, Dr. F.G. Walton Smith. His enduring legacy with this university continues to be honored. SUSTAIN has been named the Alfred C. Glassell Jr. Surge Structure Atmosphere Interaction Building. The university thanks the Marta Weeks family. Marta Weeks is an involved member of the University of Miami Board of Trustees. Her late husband, Austin Weeks, has also endowed a chair in the Department of Marine Geosciences at the Rosentiel School. Gratitude also goes out to the G. Unger Vedelson Foundation for contributions that enable vital climate analysis. Within our flourishing and leading-edge science community on Virginia Key, we stand at the vanguard of air-sea interface and the study of life sciences, fully prepared to redefine perceptions and deliver momentous breakthroughs. With this marine technology and life sciences seawater complex, the Rosentiel School is now equipped to propel marine science and engineering to new boundaries that will undoubtedly help us better understand our all-important marine ecosystem and adapt to a changing coastal environment.